Leonardo da Vinci's Ornithopter is a striking example of a concept that lay frozen for half a millennia before technology caught up. Form: the sketch, rendered in faint sepia ink on aged vellum, shows a hulking ribcage of spruce or poplar, its wingspan extending nearly 15 feet. Each wing is articulated with a series of wooden hinges, mimicking the feathered joints of a gull. The central body houses a double crank and rod mechanism, stacked like a human torso, intended to be powered by a team of men turning a cranking handle. The design is deliberately symmetrical, every component balances the other, giving the machine a sculptural rhythm that echoes the measurements of a real bird's anatomy. Function: Da Vinci imagined the ornithopter as a human-piloted aircraft, one that would achieve lift by flapping its wings in a coordinated motion. The crank converts linear effort into a reciprocal sweep, pulling the forewings upward while pushing the aft wings downward, producing a figure-8 path that on paper generates both thrust and lift. The not yet existent lightweight steel cable, modern carbon fiber composites, and precise torque calculations are absent. Instead, the inventor relies on raw manpower and the inherent elasticity of wood. It would have required a pilot to synchronize breathing with the cranks, a biologically inspired control system that prefigures today's biofeedback drones. Aesthetic: beyond engineering, the Ornithopter is a manifesto of the Renaissance imagination. Its sketch glows with Leonardo's signature chiaroscuro. Bold contour lines against diluted shadows suggest a creature poised between the page and the sky. The surrounding marginalia, birds in flight, anatomical cross-sections, and cryptic notes in mirror script, turn the technical drawing into a poetic tableau. This marriage of scientific rigor and artistic elegance makes the Ornithopter more than a prototype, it is a visual poem of humanity's yearning to emulate nature. When modern engineers finally built working flapping-wing drones, they inadvertently validated Leonardo's daring hypothesis, confirming that an elegant blend of form, function, and aesthetics can survive 5 centuries untouched.